Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Create a full backup or system image so you can restore if something fails. Once done, free at least 20% of disk space and plug the PC into power to prevent interruptions. Make a system restore point and record your current Windows version. This lets you roll back if needed. Now open Settings Update and Security and check for updates so the system can download necessary files while you prepare drivers and apps. You proceed by downloading and staging updates. Check Device Manager and update critical drivers to avoid compatibility issues because drivers often cause post-update problems. Then use Windows Update for cumulative patches or the Media Creation tool for feature upgrades. The tool verifies files as it downloads, reducing corruption risk. Install during off hours to avoid losing work and allow the update to complete without forcing shutdown. If prompted, accept required restarts and watch the update stages until Windows finishes configuring. You finish by verifying the update succeeded. Check update history and run Windows Update again to catch remaining patches, and restart once more to ensure drivers and services initialize. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode and test, then use System Restore or the rollback option to return to the previous build. Make a USB recovery drive if you don't have one. A key troubleshooting tip: uninstall recently updated drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.